Hey guys, welcome to Hook for Reels. It's another episode today, and today we are going to be catching big bass. But today we're going to switch things up. We're going to be using shiners, wild shiners, as you can see in there, from CC Marine, Land O'Lakes. It's a really good place to get shiners. It's a really good tackle shop for bass. And all right, let's get started.
All right, you're hooked up, bro. What you got there?
I got a bass on the Senko. I got a small bass.
You need the net? I guess not for that guy.
Not for this guy.
Oh, he's a good fighter, though.
Spotted bass or larger. I don't know. I guess it's a spotted one.
A Senko worm.
It was on the Wacky Worm rig.
Wacky worm rig.
It's really good. I highly recommend it. Some nice little beauty right there.
All right, first of the day.
Yeah, see you guys later.
See you soon with the biggie. What you got, bro? You got one on there?
Yep, I got a nice one on here. Nice bass. Oh, he's a big one.
He's bending down good. Pulling the boat.
Pulling the boat around.
Fish number 2 on the day.
Oh, nice one. Nice bass. I'll get him up here. We don't need the net for this.
Need the net? No?
Nope.
Pretty good sized.
It's a nice one, like a I guess he's a 15-incher. Get over here, buddy. 15-incher. Good circle hook.
Nice retrieve, buddy.
All right, can you put the
line?
Yeah, let out some line. And nice 15-incher. Here, I need the pliers.
All right, show them to me.
Oh, wait a second. There's the circle hook right in the corner of the mouth once again.
Yep.
Wait a second. I bet I could get it. There.
I won't weigh him, but he's a beauty. All right, fish number 2. We'll get a measurement and get fishing for the next one. Signing off. All right, you're on.
I'm on to another nice one.
That one
Oh!
we're gonna need the net for.
Yeah, I think I need the net for this guy.
See if you can work him out of that salad there.
Oh! He's stuck down in there.
All right, just hold on to him. I'll have to work him.
I bet he got off.
I don't think so. He's still on there. All right, I'm gonna stop the video for a minute while we see what's going on with him.
Oh. Must be
Not
tired.
over, bring him on this side. Bring him on this side.
He must be pretty tired.
He got hooked in the lily, so we're gonna bring him up and get a weight on him real quick.
Let me grab him. I got him. He looks like he's...
We need to get going here, so.
Oh, man, that's a nice one.
Okay,
See him?
why don't you hold this real quick? Get this hook out of his mouth. Okay, trade.
Oh, man, that's a nice one. Oh, I'm going to hold one of these.
All right, let's see him. There's a lunker for you.
He's a
All
nice
right.
lunker.
Hey, he was hooked for reels.
He was hooked for reels.
All right, let me see his mouth real quick.
Giant mouth on him.
Booyah! Signing off.